Hey there, food lovers, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're making a classic favorite, delicious, moist, and easy to make banana bread, perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 3 ripe bananas, a half cup 115g melted butter, 3/4 cup 150g sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1½ cups 190g all-purpose flour. First, peel and mash your bananas until they're smooth. The riper the bananas, the sweeter your bread will be. Now, mix in the melted butter. This will keep our banana bread soft and rich. Next, we add the sugar, 1 egg, and vanilla extract. Mix everything well. Time to add the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold them in until just combined. Don't overmix. Pour the batter into a greased loaf pan, smooth the top, and it's ready to bake. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 F 175 C for about 50–60 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Trust me, the aroma is irresistible. Look at this: soft, moist, and full of banana goodness, perfect with butter, jam, or just as is. So good. If you loved this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Hot Skinny Recipe and hit the bell icon for more tasty recipes. See you in the next video. Video cannot be monetized. The content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike.